I'm Jacquileen VanDesquire.
And I'm Trish.
And we are the Willow Weather Watch and Warning Warriors.
We'll keep you safe.
And more.
Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us for our very special live edition coverage of Winter Storm Gail. If you take notice outside of the studio window, you'll see that we've reached near whiteout conditions, deeming travel completely unsafe during these unprecedented times. We're going to check in with Jacquileen VanDesquire, who's on the scene in Willow, weathering the storm. Jacquileen, how's it looking out there?
Well, Karen, as you can see, it's still heavily snowing. It's pretty darn cold out here due to bombogenesis, which has made its way into the northeast, causing a northeaster, which has really walloped the northeast. We do have some really important school closings to tell you about. The school closings are, they're all closed. They've been closed since March. Bertha, back to you.
Thank you, Jacquileen. It looks awfully frigid out there. Why don't you hurry on back to the studio to warm up with some fresh cinnamon buns?
Thanks, Karen. I've got your warm, fresh buns right here.
Joining us in the studio is climate engineer Dr. Cheryl Bettina Kensington III, here to discuss the physics of bombogenesis. Dr. Kensington, what can you tell us about bombogenesis? Fascinating. And how long has this been happening? Wonderful, wonderful. And would you say that this is caused in any way by human action on this earth? In other words, is this the result of our actions in pushing climate change, accelerating the process? Dr. Kensington. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Kensington. Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here, and I think that we all learned a lot. And now for everyone's favorite segment of the night, we're going to take you to Jacquileen VanDesquire in the Canine Corner to show you today's Pooch of the Day. Jacquileen, who's our four-legged friend?
Thank you, Mary Jo. Yes, today on Canine Corner, we are featuring the latest pup up for adoption. If you're looking for a cute, cuddly pup, this is not your pup. Today we are featuring Psycho. He was surrendered recently, unfortunately by his parents due to violence. She took a few fingers off, but I'm sure they're fine. I'm sure it's fine. Psycho is really great with no one. She is pretty terrible with small children. Teens, also not a fan of teens or small, young teens, preteens. She's not really good with seniors. But especially middle-aged people, she's probably the worst with. But, you know, anybody not in that category, I'm sure it's fine. It's totally fine. Be sure to get your application in very soon. I'm sure there will be hundreds and hundreds of them, so we'll have to sift through them as quickly as possible. But remember, little Psycho could be yours. Huh. Yeah.
Well, folks, we thank you for putting your faith in the Willow Weather Watch and Warning Warriors during these difficult, uncertain, challenging, trying, and unprecedented times. We truly hope that you're staying safe and warm.